So you've done the self-help and you've dipped into some personal development, but now you ask the question, now what? What can you do? Well, if you want to escape the apathy, step right this way. So twice a year, I teach a course called Autonomy. It's a 12-week personal development and training course. What people get out of it is multifaceted. There's curriculum, there's exercises, there's camaraderie, you make new friends. There's a whole lot of interesting things. We're going to hear a sample from the course right now, and let's take a look at the value these students are getting. People who know how to negotiate find it hard not to use that skill when they're doing such things. So you find out, and I asked, where did you learn to negotiate? I asked Jordan Alcon in season 1. I was like, where did you, because he was like, I don't know. And so basically I said, finally, I said, where did you learn how to do what I just saw you do? He goes, oh, I do it all the time. I never assume that the given price is the price. I always negotiate. And I was like, well, how'd that happen? He's like, oh, I was homeschooled. I was like, makes total sense, dude. Because the rest of us are trained, see price, pay price, right? We forget we're dealing with individuals who have businesses. Now, it doesn't work at Walmart or big corporations. You can't tell Amazon, here's my offer, send me the thing, but you can do it on eBay. They have a listed price, and a lot of people are like, well, we're making an offer because they might want to sell it sooner than later, and they'll take a lower offer, and they're telling you that. But eBay also does it so it's not instant gratification. So I only do that when, if it's like something I can afford to wait on, yeah, I'll make them an offer to save a couple bucks. Otherwise, my time is worth money, and it's worth more than waiting 3 days to hear back, no, I don't accept the offer, right? I could have already had it and put it into use already. So those opportunities are there for those who want to explore them, and those who know how to explore them find them fun to explore. It's like being able to explore caves and then seeing caves. And it's like, let's go spelunking. Let's see what's down there. Let's see what's over there.
Everyone's doing some kind of self-help these days, and you can find a million self-help courses out there. Most other courses out there are hosting lectures, they're hosting videos, they're maybe even doing Q&As, and these are great starting points to encourage learning. But at Autonomy, we believe that hands-on practice is the best way to really lock in what we're learning. There's no better way to gain confidence and mastery than through action. After each lecture, we practice the concepts we've learned with other students, giving and receiving feedback in a non-judgmental environment. The result is mastery of concepts like entrepreneurship, ethical sales, and self-reliance in an environment that directly translates to the real world. Plus, you make connections with other like-minded individuals who are learning right alongside you, and you have a lifetime membership in the community. The Autonomy course with Richard Grove equips you with confidence, competence, and courage in a world filled with confusion and noise. You can learn more at getautonomy.info. We'll see you there.